Hello, my beautiful people. This is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I know I'm coming back to you guys after a long time. So, I'm gonna tell you why I could not come up with videos of late. So, I acquired COVID 19 a few days back. I was admitted into a hospital and then I got discharged a few days back. So, today this video is about my experience on how I acquired, why I acquired, how did I recover, what all medicines I've taken, what all remedies I took, and what are the post COVID 19 symptoms that I have been facing, what is the weakness that I'm going through right now. I'm going to tell you guys everything about that. So stay tuned for the entire video. Let's get started. Let me start by telling you guys I have still not recovered from the weakness that you face after acquiring COVID 19. I am still going through that. I'm still coping up with the weakest form of my health right now. There are a lot of things that I have to tell you guys. So, let me start by telling when did I acquire this. I attended a family function, and then there, I guess, around 50-60 people were there, which was actually as per government guidelines. A lot of us would be doing the same mistake that I did, that when you are in a family function where you are around your family, be it in one single house or be it 10 houses, but if it is your own family, you tend to avoid the mask, and that is what we did. And that was, I think, a big mistake that I have done. And out of some 50 people, 25-30 people acquired COVID 19. I want to tell you guys that be it family function, be it your colleagues, your best friends, your own family, if you don't meet them every day, if you know they go out or they have traveled from somewhere, please do not hesitate to wear your mask. Whatever they think about you, it does not matter. Please don't do the mistake that I did. I personally feel that all the weddings, all the functions, all the birthday parties, everything, that the government has given a rule to all of us to get only 50 people involved or to attend your function, but I think that should be also cancelled, because one of that functions got some 30 people of the particular function acquired COVID 19. So I think that should be a big no. So after 4-5 days of attending the function, my husband got a little bit of symptoms like fever, cold, and cough. So the fever was quite high. I can tell you that it was around 102 to 103, and we had to get him tested. We took him to hospital, and then we got him blood tested, urine tested, and also coronavirus tested as per the doctor's direction. So we got to know that he had UTI. So we got UTI medicines from the doctor, and he recovered in 4 days. But after 4 days, we got the COVID test report, and then we got to know that he has acquired COVID 19. He is COVID positive, and there was an ambulance in an hour at our doorstep to take him to hospital. So by the time he went to hospital, he was all asymptomatic. In 3 days, he had totally recovered from the cold, cough, and the fever that he had got. After he left for hospital, we were also tested the very next day, and my entire family got COVID positive. We were also taken to hospital after 3 days of our test, and we had to stay there for 11 days. So I'm going to tell you what all medicines and what kind of treatment we got from the hospital. So when we went to hospital, in the name of treatment, we got vitamin B tablets and vitamin A D capsules in one capsule. Now we got it to take every day post lunch and post dinner for vitamin B, and vitamin A D only once after dinner. But one thing that we started taking after my husband got hospitalized was we started taking Kadha twice a day and Bikusul capsules twice a day. I saw a lot of videos posted by COVID survivors who were actually advising to take Bikusul capsules, to take Kadha, to take proper hot water. We had already started taking like hot boiling water to drink, like drink as much hot as you can. That is the thing. And Kadha, really hot Kadha twice a day, Bikusul capsules twice a day. So we had already started taking that. The little mild symptoms that my in-laws started getting, those symptoms got vanished in 3 days by the time our report came. So by the time we reached hospital, we were asymptomatic completely. Well, I had only one symptom that I could tell that I am probably positive, is I lost my sense of smell and taste completely. So it was one day before I went hospital, and I was not able to smell anything. Even if you spray perfume on my face, I would not be able to smell anything. that does not mean you have a blocked nose and you cannot smell anything. No, that was not the thing with me. It was like completely blank. There was no smell at all whatsoever. The, you know, the product, the strongest smell also, I could not at all get it. And loss of taste, yes. So when people tell you that loss of taste and you're eating kheer, you're eating rasgulla, gulab jamun, and you're not able to taste it, no, that was not the thing. Loss of taste refers to even if I'm eating rasgulla, I'm eating gulab jamun, I'm eating kheer, I get only one single taste sweet. If I'm eating curd, if I'm eating lemon, I get one single taste khatta, sour. If I'm eating something, 2-3 different types of curries, I get only one taste, that is salty. So this blatant, this blank, flat taste was always there. So it's not like loss of taste completely. If you think you're having any kind of symptom, or if you feel that you're positive and you're getting home isolation, if you're lucky enough that you get home isolation and don't land up in a hospital the way I did, getting admitted to a hospital and acquiring COVID-19 and being asymptomatic, and you still have to stay in a hospital for 10-11 days, I'm telling you, it is hell. If you are lucky enough that you get home isolation, then please, if you feel that you have some symptoms, cold, cough or fever, start taking azithromycin 1 each day. Take paracetamol if you have fever. If you have flowing nose, if you're sneezing a lot, please take azithromycin. If you get coughed, then please hesitate taking cough syrup, because मेरे केस में, मेरे फैमिली के केस में, cough syrup had increased the amount of cough that was happening. If you can, please take kadha thrice a day. Take a little bit of ginger, keep it in your, keep it in your mouth for a while. It might help you, but do not take cough syrup. Kadha is the best remedy for cough. And if you have headache, then you can take headache medicine, or a paracetamol medicine would cure your headache. Please gargle with salt water, warm salt water. That is most important. Gargling is very important because you have that virus thing in your body, and gargling is required. One more thing, Bicosol capsules are immunity boosters. You really need that for your body. If you can, please start taking vitamin A and D also post dinner. Now, if you are someone who is totally fine, but जैसे यहाँ पे all over India, all over the country, the cases are rising, increasing every day. You don't know, you never know. You're staying at home, but still you're acquiring it, and you don't even know how to handle it. Let me tell you guys, please include 1 cup of kadha in your daily routine. That is going to help you a lot. Please get Bicosol capsules from your nearby chemist store. You really need that, 1 each day at least post lunch, so that even if you acquire COVID-19 someday, your body, your immunity would be fighting with the virus. That is required. Please understand, this is not a big disease that you should be scared of, you should be panicking about. I am telling you, it's nothing to be scared of. But if you're not taking care of your immunity system, this might hamper. If you have a strong immune system, you'll stand like the way I am doing right now. Today is 7th day after I got discharged from hospital. I am terribly weak. I was terribly weak, but I am recovering with a lot of soup, vegetables, juices included to my routine. I have experienced a big time loss of appetite. I'm not able to eat food, but still I am taking a little as much as I can, so that my body fights whatever weaknesses I have been going through, so that I can stand upright and film more videos for you guys. जैसा मैंने बोला है, I expect that you follow it, because कोरोना कोई बड़ी चीज़ नहीं है. I think people are getting it overhyped, because I recovered on my own. So I am telling you guys so that you also learn. And अगर आपको लगे कि you are facing symptoms, you are experiencing symptoms, या फिर आपको कभी भी हो सकता है, तो please do this. Prevent yourself from acquiring this virus. Wear mask every time you go out. Do not hesitate. Be it your family, your colleagues, your friends, your best friends, you're partying, you're not partying, wherever you are. If you're in your house with the family with whom you stay under one roof, it's absolutely fine. But if there is someone else who is in your family who is coming from outside somewhere, please wear a mask. So that was about a short video on my experience on acquiring COVID-19. I hope you would be helping yourself with the things that I could tell you. अगर मेरे पास शायद पहले से मैं ये videos देख लेती तो शायद I could have helped myself, but any which ways, better late than never. So I hope you guys follow it. I'm gonna come up with a lot of makeup videos on the reviews on skincare, on reviews on the makeup stuffs, and a lot of makeup looks. So if you like my video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.